Gary Liberatore, meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help us all plan our day, and our day looks kind of dry today, right?
Yes, we are going to be seeing sunshine earlier this morning, but we will see an increase in clouds, and then it does look like we're going to get a few snow showers overnight and tomorrow.
But nothing major.
Nothing major, yes. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. There are just a few snow showers kind of lingering down in the southeast, but most of our area is dry here this morning. It is a pretty cold start to the morning. A lot of our temperatures are below zero up north, and we are seeing temperatures in the single digits in some areas. So it is a pretty cold start, so make sure you do bundle up if you are heading outside. So we are going to be seeing some sunshine this morning, followed by clouds later in the day, and we will be seeing some snow overnight and tomorrow. Little accumulation expected. We are also going to be seeing colder weather ahead. Before the rest of the day, we will reach a high near 20, and we will see an increase in clouds in preparation for a few snow showers overnight, and I will be talking a little bit more about that snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Utica Police are investigating
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are going to be dry but a little chilly today with just highs near 20. We are expecting some snow showers to move in tonight. Let's take a look at that CAV tower camera. Right now, we are mostly clear outside. Our temperatures are ranging in the single digits to the teens, but we will see an increase in clouds today, as well as an increase in temperature. Now, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing no activity in our area. That lake effect snow from yesterday has since cleared out of the region. We are just seeing partly cloudy skies right now. We will see an increase in clouds throughout the day as this low pressure system from the west does start to approach us. Now, temperatures are once again ranging in the teens, single digits. Some areas we are looking at temperatures below zero, especially up north. We are 3 below in a Big Moose, 4 degrees in Inlet, 11 degrees in Rome, 12 degrees in White Sparrow. If we do go down to the south, still ranging in the teens, we have 13 degrees in Skanevis and 10 degrees in Hamilton, Sherburne, and Norwich. So we are in the teens this morning. We will rise to the low 20s for the high temperature. Today, it does look to remain dry, but we do look to get a few light snow showers in the area overnight tonight and for the day tomorrow. Little accumulation is expected. We are going to dry out once again on Wednesday and on Thursday. So here is a look at the snowfall accumulation expected. Overall, widespread, it does look to be 1 to 3 inches expected, with the heavier bands kind of in the Mohawk Valley area. Once again, this is due to a low pressure system moving in from the west, so this is not going to be lake effect snow. So it is looking more like a widespread snowfall event. So let's look at that on our skycast. We are seeing partly cloudy skies this morning, but we will see an increase in clouds throughout the day coming in from the west. Our high temperature will be in the low 20s. Now, as we move into this evening and overnight, here comes that snow. It does look to be widespread, with the main bands kind of concentrated in the Mohawk Valley area. It does look to be light snow showers for the day tomorrow, and we will see highs in the low 20s once again. Now, for today, we have a high near 20. We will see an increase in clouds throughout the day, and overnight tonight, that is when the snow does start to come in. We're only looking at low temperatures in the teens, so it is not going to be that cold overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. So we do look to get some snow in the area tomorrow. Once again, about 1 to 3 inches expected of accumulation. We look to get colder and dry on Wednesday with a high of just 11 degrees. We warm up a little bit on Thursday, become more sunny. We're seeing temperatures in the low 20s, and we're closely keeping an eye for some more snowfall on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Rural hospitals in color.
Welcome back. We do look to remain dry for most of the day today, but as you can see, after 5 p.m., the chance of snow does go up to probable. We are going to be seeing some snowfall overnight tonight and into most of the day tomorrow. Once again, not a lot of accumulation is expected. These snow showers are going to be very light in nature, and it is not from lake effect. We are seeing it from a low pressure system that is coming in from the west. The chance drops down to low as we get into Wednesday. So here is our snowfall forecast. This is for tonight and tomorrow. Expect 1 to 3 inches widespread of snowfall. Now, if you're grabbing your coffee this morning, it is going to remain dry today, but it is still pretty cold this morning. We are looking at temperatures in the single digits to the teens and partly cloudy skies. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A Florida student, Libertor meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help us all plan our day ahead. And once again, it's going to be a nice dry day and another chilly one, though.
Yes, we are starting out this morning pretty chilly with our temperatures in the single digits to the teens. We are only going to rise near 20 for the high today, so it is going to be pretty cold outside.
January.
Yes, it's January. This is kind of around average. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry in our area. There is just like a little snow shower down in the southeast, but we will remain dry for most of the day today. Now, our temperatures are ranging in the single digits to the teens, and some areas are below zero up north. So it is a very chilly start to the morning. Make sure you do bundle up if you are heading out anytime soon. We will see some sunshine this morning, but we will be followed by clouds moving into the area as a low pressure system approaches us from the west, bringing in a few snow showers tonight and tomorrow. We are also going to be seeing colder weather ahead, temperatures in the teens for the highs coming up in the next couple of days. Now for today, we have a high near 20. We will see an increase in clouds in preparation for some snow coming in overnight and tomorrow, and I will be talking a little bit more about that snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks for recapping our top local story today.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up partly cloudy this morning with our temperatures in the single digits to the teens, but we will be seeing increasing clouds throughout the day. Let's take a look at that CAVV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Once again, partly cloudy skies. Our temperatures are pretty low this morning in the single digits to the teens, but we will rise to a high in the low 20s. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, seeing dry weather in our area. There is just a little snow shower down to our southeast, but otherwise we are remaining dry for most of the day today. Now we will see an increase in clouds coming in from the west all throughout the day in preparation for some snow also coming in from the west that is attached to a low pressure system. So we will be seeing a few snow showers tonight and for tomorrow. But let's take a look at those temperatures first. We are ranging in the single digits to the teens, and some areas up north are even below zero. We have 7 below in Big Moose. We have just 1 degree in Inlet, 8 degrees in Rome, and 10 degrees in Whitesboro. If we do go down to the south, we have 13 in Skenevis and 10 degrees in Hamilton. So it is a pretty chilly start to the morning. If you are heading out, make sure you do bundle up. There also may be some frost on the car windshields, so make sure you give yourself a little extra time for that. But we are going to remain dry for the day. That snow from yesterday has since cleared out. We are going to be seeing a few snow showers tonight and for the day tomorrow with little accumulation expected. We will dry out once again on Wednesday and on Thursday. So here's a look at that snowfall. Overall, widespread, we are expecting 1 to 3 inches of snow, with most of it, the heaviest of bands, kind of falling in the Mohawk Valley area. But once again, only 1 to 3 inches is expected. It shouldn't be a big event for tomorrow. So let's look at everything on our Skycast. We are seeing partly cloudy skies this morning. We will see temperatures rise to the low 20s for the high today, as well as an increase in clouds. Now this evening and tonight, here's when the snow does start to come in from the west. Once again, there is a low pressure system moving in, bringing in that snow, so it is not going to be from lake effect. Now for the day tomorrow, we are looking to get a few snow showers in the area. Overall, 1 to 3 inches expected. It does not look like to be a big accumulation of snowfall. And for today, we will be seeing high temperatures near 20, once again an increase in clouds throughout the day. Overnight tonight, that is when the snow does start to come in, and we will be seeing lows only in the teens, so it's not going to be that cold tonight and tomorrow morning. So we are looking at some snowfall for tomorrow with a high near 30, so it is warming up quite a bit tomorrow. We will cool down on Wednesday with a high just of 11 and partly cloudy skies. More sunshine on Thursday with highs in the low 20s, and we are looking at some more snow to fall on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The SpaceX Dragon cargo ship departed the space station.
Back. There is probably some ice outside on the sidewalk this morning because we did see some lake effect snow showers yesterday. That definitely iced over overnight, so just be careful of that this morning. Now we are going to be seeing some more snow come into the area tonight and tomorrow, so we are going to be seeing snowy sidewalks once again. We are going to be getting a few breaks in those clouds today for some sunshine, but otherwise it does look mostly cloudy. For tomorrow, we are going to be seeing a few snow showers throughout the day, so it is going to be overcast. turning mostly cloudy once again on Wednesday, and then the sunshine fully returns on Thursday. So as the kids are heading off to school today, I wouldn't bring the umbrella. We are looking to remain dry today. Temperatures are in the single digits this morning, and we will see an increase in clouds throughout the day with a high near 20. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Cowboys of color stepped into the spotlight at the Fort Worth Stock Show and Rodeo. I'm Gary Liberatore. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help us all plan our day ahead. And once again, it's going to be a dry but very chilly day here in January as it keeps on rolling this long cold spell of ours.
I know. I just looked it up. Actually, our average high for this time of year should be 28 degrees, and we haven't really been hitting that. We've been in the teens for the high, so it has been very cold so far.
We had a good December, though.
Yes, we
Remember
did have
that?
Yes, a nice and warm December. Met that one day where it was like 65.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing dry conditions in our area, and it is going to remain dry for most of the day today. But temperatures right now are ranging in the single digits to the teens, and some areas up north are even below zero this morning, so it is a very chilly start to the morning. We are going to be seeing some sunshine this morning, followed by increasing clouds throughout the day in preparation for some snowfall tonight and tomorrow. We are also going to be seeing colder weather ahead with days with highs only in the low teens. Now for the rest of the day, we will see an increase in clouds with a high near 20, and I will be talking about that snow that's coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Utica police are investigating
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up pretty chilly this morning with our temperatures in the single digits to the teens. We are looking to warm up today to the low 20s. Let's take a look at that CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Partly cloudy skies to start out this morning, but we will be seeing an increase in clouds throughout the day. Now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are looking dry in our area right now, and we will remain dry for most of the day today. But on our radar and satellite, you can see that we will see an increase in clouds coming in from the west. There's a low pressure system out west that is going to bring an increase in clouds this afternoon, and we will be seeing some light snow showers coming into the area tonight and tomorrow because of this low pressure system. But let's look at temperatures right now. We are ranging in the single digits to the teens, some areas even below zero this morning. We have just 4 below up in Old Forge, 1 degree in Inlet, 12 degrees in Yorkville and in Glenmore. If we do go down to the south, still looking at temperatures in the teens, we have 14 degrees in Cooperstown, 10 degrees in Edmiston, and 13 degrees in Morris. So it is a chilly start to the morning. Make sure you do bundle up if you are heading outside. But we do look to remain dry for today. Some light snow showers do come into the area tonight and tomorrow. Little accumulation is expected, about 1 to 3 inches widespread. We will remain dry once again on Wednesday and on Thursday. So here's a closer look at that snowfall forecast. We are expecting 1 to 3 inches widespread from the snowfall event, with the heaviest of the bands kind of sticking around in the Mohawk Valley. But again, not a lot of snow accumulation for this event that is going to be coming in tonight and tomorrow. Let's look at our skycast for more information about this. We are seeing partly cloudy skies this morning, and we will see an increase in clouds and temperature with highs in the low 20s. Now this evening is when the snow does start to come in from the west. Once again, little accumulation expected. For the day tomorrow, we will be seeing scattered snow showers here and there. Overall, 1 to 3 inches expected for everyone. Now for today, we are looking at an increase in clouds and an increase in temperature with highs in the low 20s. Overnight tonight, that is when the snow does start to come in. Not getting as cold tonight. We are only looking at low temperatures in the teens. So for tomorrow, we are expecting a few snow showers in the area with a high near 30. So it is going to be a lot warmer tomorrow than the past couple of days. We are cooling down on Wednesday with a high just in the low teens and partly cloudy skies. Warming up again for Thursday with some sunshine with a high in the low 20s. And we are looking closely at the return of some snow on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Protesters from...
Welcome back. We are going to remain dry for the day today, but after 6 p.m., our chance of some snowfall does become more probable. We are going to be seeing Some light snow showers overnight tonight and for most of the day tomorrow. We do look to dry out once again on Wednesday. So here's a look at the snowfall forecast. This is for tonight and tomorrow. Only about 1 to 3 inches widespread is expected. And it looks like the heaviest of the band is going to kind of fall in the Mohawk Valley. But once again, little accumulation is expected from this snowfall event. As you're grabbing your coffee this morning, I would be opting for the extra large. Our temperatures are in the single digits to the low teens, so it is pretty chilly outside. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A Florida student. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help us all plan our day ahead. And on this Monday, we are looking at some very chilly temperatures to start the day.
Yes, so we are kind of below average in temperatures. We've been this way for the past couple weeks. Our average high is 28 and the average low is 13. And we've been in the below zeros. Like, I don't get it.
Yeah.
It's annoying.
It's January. We got to
Yes,
expect
yes.
some cold. So.
Yes, of course. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are starting out dry this morning, but it looks like we are going to be getting some snow tonight and tomorrow. Our temperatures are very chilly this morning. They keep dropping as we speak. We are looking at temperatures below zero up in the North Country. We are in the single digits now in the Mohawk Valley and in the teens down south. So we are going to be seeing some sun this morning, but increasing clouds will take over for the day as some snow does approach us. We are going to be seeing widespread light snow tonight and tomorrow with little accumulation. We are also going to experience some colder weather ahead. So for today, we will reach a high near 20. We are going to be seeing an increase in clouds and some snow coming in overnight. And I will be talking a little bit more about that snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks for capping our top story. Now,
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up to partly cloudy skies this morning, and our temperatures are in the single digits and some below zero. Let's take a look at that CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing partly cloudy skies, and our temperature is continuing to drop this morning. We did see temperatures in the teens earlier, but now we are looking at single-digit temperatures and below zero. Let's take a look at that Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are looking dry in our area right now. We are remaining dry for the day today, but there is a low pressure system that is just off to the west of us. So we will see an increase in clouds throughout the day as it approaches us, and it will bring some snow into the region tonight and tomorrow with little accumulation expected. So let's take a look at some of our sky watchers temperatures, once again ranging now in the single digits and low teens and some below zero. We have just 1 degree in Inlet, 4 below zero in Old Forge, same thing with Glenmore, and 2 below in Westdale. So it is pretty chilly outside. Make sure you bundle up if you are heading out. We have 14 in Cooperstown and in West Lawrence. So make sure you bundle up if you are heading outside. Maybe give yourself a little extra time because there is some frost on the car windshields from yesterday. So that snow has cleared out from yesterday. We are remaining dry today. We will see a few light snow showers overnight tonight and tomorrow, but we will dry out once again on Wednesday and on Thursday. So here's a look at that snowfall forecast. Overall, we're expecting 1 to 3 inches widespread of snowfall. This isn't lake effect snow either. It is coming from a low pressure system. Now, the heaviest of the snow does look to fall in the Mohawk Valley, but overall that is only going to be about 2.5 to 3 inches. So this isn't going to be a big snowfall event. So we are seeing partly cloudy skies this morning with a lot of our temperatures below zero right now. We will only reach a high near 20 today, so it is going to be pretty cold outside, below average temperatures, and an increase in clouds. Now this evening and overnight, we will be seeing that widespread light snow come into the area. We are also going to be seeing scattered snow showers throughout the day tomorrow. Overall, about 1 to 3 inches expected, but it is going to be a lot warmer tomorrow with highs near 30. Now for today, we will see a high near 20. We are going to be seeing an increase in clouds throughout the day. Overnight tonight, that snow does come into the area, and we are only looking at a low temperature in the teens, so it is going to be pretty warm tonight and waking up tomorrow. So we are tracking that light widespread snow for tomorrow with a high near 30, so a lot warmer tomorrow. We will get colder once again on Wednesday with the high in the low teens and partly cloudy skies. Sunshine does return on Thursday with a high in the low 20s, and we are closely tracking some more snowfall to come to the region on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Prices for used cars are...
Welcome back. We did see some lake effect snow yesterday, so a lot of the sidewalks and the parking lots are going to be a little icy today, so just be careful of that. We will be seeing more snowfall come in tonight and tomorrow, so we are going to be seeing snowy spots tonight and tomorrow. We are going to be getting a few breaks in the clouds today, but increase in clouds throughout the day in preparation for some snow tomorrow, so we are looking to remain overcast. We are going to be getting a few breaks in the clouds once again on Wednesday, and the sunshine does look to return on Thursday. So as the kids are heading off to school this morning, I wouldn't bring the umbrella. We are looking to remain dry for the day. Temperatures are in the single digits right now, so it is pretty cold. Make sure you bundle up. But by the afternoon, we will reach a high in the upper teens to low 20s. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Supply chain problems.
Back, we are taking a live look at our CAVI tower camera. We are seeing some beautiful colors from the sunrise here this morning, but we will be seeing an increase in clouds throughout the day. This is in preparation for some snowfall coming into the area. So we are dry for the day, but we are going to be seeing some snow overnight and for most of the day tomorrow. Little accumulation of this snow is expected. We do look to dry out once again on Wednesday. So for today, we have a high in the low 20s. It is a chilly day ahead. We are still below average in temperatures, and we will see an increase in clouds. Overnight tonight, we have a low just in the teens, so we are around average in temperatures tonight, and we will be seeing a few snow showers. I will be tracking the snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. If you watch the Bills...
We are waking up pretty cold this morning with our temperatures in the single digits, but we are looking to remain dry, and we will warm up a little bit today. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry in the area, and it is looking dry for the whole day today. Now, our temperatures are ranging in the single digits, and now some areas even below zero this morning, so make sure you do bundle up if you are heading out. So we are going to be seeing some sunshine this morning, followed by increasing clouds throughout the day in preparation for some light snowfall tonight and tomorrow, and we will see colder weather ahead. So this is what we are looking at for the snowfall tonight and tomorrow. 1 to 3 inches is expected widespread, so not a lot of snow from this event. So for the rest of the day, increasing clouds with a high in the low 20s, and we will be seeing that snow tonight and tomorrow. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Cowboys of
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up in the single digits this morning, and we are seeing partly cloudy skies. We will see an increase in clouds throughout the day. But let's take a look at that CAVI tower camera. Beautiful colors from some sunrise overlooking the city of Utica. But once again, we are going to be turning mostly cloudy by this evening. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry on the radar, and we are looking to remain dry for most of the day today. But if we do look at our radar and satellite, we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds coming in from the west. That is in preparation for a low pressure system moving into our area. It is going to bring light widespread snow for tonight and tomorrow, but little accumulation is expected. Here are some reports from our sky watchers this morning. We are ranging in the single digits and some areas even below zero. We have just 1 degree in Inlet, 4 below zero in Old Forge, 6 degrees in Oppenheim, and 11 degrees in New Hartford and in Clinton. If we do go down south a little bit, we are ranging in the teens. We have 14 degrees in Cooperstown and West Lawrence and 10 degrees in Evanston. So it is a pretty chilly start to the morning. We are not looking to warm up that much today. So we are going to remain dry today, but as tomorrow comes, we are going to be seeing light widespread snow kind of overnight tonight and for tomorrow. We do look to dry out again on Wednesday and on Thursday. So here's a look at the snowfall forecast. We are expecting 1 to 3 inches widespread of light snowfall tonight and tomorrow, with the heaviest of band kind of falling in the Mohawk Valley or just above it. So that is what we are expecting for snowfall, but little accumulation is kind of expected. We are seeing partly cloudy skies this morning. We will see an increase in clouds and in temperature. Our high today looks to be in the low 20s. Now this evening is when the snow does start to come in from the west. This is from a low pressure system. It is not going to be lake effect snow. We are looking to have some scattered snow showers in the area for tomorrow, before drying out on Wednesday. Now for today, we do have a high in the low 20s. We will see an increase in clouds throughout the day before starting out with some sunshine this morning. Overnight tonight, the snow does come into the area. We are only looking at temperatures in the teens, so it is going to feel a lot warmer than it has been the past couple of nights, and even tomorrow morning we are going to be seeing temperatures in the 20s. So for tomorrow, we do have a high near 30. That's a lot warmer than we've been experiencing, and we will be seeing some snow showers. Gets colder once again on Wednesday with just a high in the low teens for partly cloudy skies. Sunshine returns on Thursday with a high in the low 20s. We are closely tracking some more snow for Friday, and so far it looks like a dry weekend with mostly cloudy skies.
Evans.
We are dry in the area right now, but we are seeing increasing clouds here this afternoon, as well as an increase in temperature. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We see dry conditions in our area and partly cloudy skies, and our temperatures have warmed up from this morning. We are looking at temperatures now in the teens, and in some areas we are in the low 20s. So we will be seeing increasing clouds here this afternoon for some snow showers tonight and tomorrow. Little accumulation is expected. We are also going to be seeing colder weather ahead in the next coming days. Before the rest of the day, we will turn mostly cloudy with highs in the low 20s. And coming up, I will talk more about that snow coming in. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much.
Dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing partly cloudy skies outside, and it has warmed up from this morning. We are seeing temperatures in the teens. Let's take a look now at the CAPV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing more clouds than we saw this morning, so we will see an increase in clouds today in preparation for some snow coming in this evening. Now, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing dry conditions in the area. We will remain dry for most of the day today, but we will see an increase in clouds due to this low pressure system that is just to the west of us. So this low pressure system is kind of lingering over Michigan right now. We will see some widespread light snow develop later on tonight and for tomorrow. Little accumulation is expected from this, about 1 to 3 inches. Here are some Skywatcher reports here this afternoon. We are ranging in the teens now, a nice change up from the single digits this morning. We have 12 degrees up in Old Forge, 16 in Cooperstown, 17 degrees in Cassville, and 18 degrees in Otsego. We do look to remain dry for most of the day today, with some light snow returning to the region tomorrow. We look to dry out once again on Wednesday and on Thursday. So here's a closer look at that snowfall forecast. Overall, we are looking at 1 to 3 inches widespread, and the heaviest of the snow is looking to fall just north of the Mohawk Valley. That is where you will see 3 inches of snow, but otherwise not a big snowfall event. Little accumulation is expected. So we are seeing an increase in clouds here this afternoon. We will see high temperatures today reach the low 20s. Overnight tonight, here comes that snow coming in. Widespread light snow comes into the area. Overnight lows only in the teens, so it is not getting that cold tonight. For tomorrow, we will continue to see light scattered snow showers, and we will see high temperatures near 30, so a big warm up from the past couple of days. Those clouds will decrease going into Wednesday. Low temperatures dropping below zero once again. Another cold night from Tuesday into Wednesday. So waking up on Wednesday in the morning, pretty cold with our temperatures below zero. It is not looking to warm up too much on Wednesday. We are only looking at highs in the upper single digits. Now for today, we have a high in the low 20s. It is pretty chilly outside. We are also seeing an increase in clouds. Overnight tonight, that snow does come into the area with the low just in the teens, so it is going to feel pretty warm tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, we will reach a high near 30 with widespread light snow in the area. On Wednesday, we are cooling down with a high just in the upper single digits to low teens, but that sunshine does return, and we are warming up a little bit more on Thursday with some light snow expected once again Friday. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much. Once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are dry this afternoon, and we have warmed up since this morning, but we are seeing an increase in clouds right now for our preparation of some light snow to come into the area tonight. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Our conditions are dry right now, but once again, we are going to be seeing light, widespread snow overnight tonight and for tomorrow. Our temperatures have warmed up quite a bit from this morning. If you do recall, we were in the single digits and some areas were below zero, but now we are looking at all of our temperatures in the teens. So we will see increasing clouds this afternoon. Some snow showers are coming in tonight and tomorrow. Little accumulation is expected. And we are also going to be seeing colder weather ahead in the next coming days. But for the rest of the day, we have a high near 20. We will see mostly cloudy skies later on. And I will be talking a little bit more about that snow coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing partly cloudy skies outside, but we will see an increase in clouds this afternoon, as well as an increase in temperature. Let's take a look at the CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Once again, partly cloudy skies, but we will see mostly cloudy skies later on and high temperatures in the low 20s. Now, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still remaining dry in our area this afternoon. It does look to stay dry until this evening. We are seeing an increase in clouds here this afternoon into the evening, and we will see some widespread light snow come into the area tonight due to a low pressure system that is just kind of sitting off Michigan right now. So we will see the snow come into our area tonight. It is not looking like we are going to be seeing that much accumulation. Only about 1 to 3 inches is expected over the course of tonight and the day tomorrow. We did get some Skywatcher reports here this noon. We warmed up quite a bit from this morning with our temperatures in the single digits. We have 12 degrees in Old Forge, 16 degrees in Cooperstown, 17 degrees in Cassville, and 18 degrees in Otsego. We will warm up just a little bit more to the low 20s for the high temperature today. It does look to remain dry for the rest of the day, but we are going to be seeing a few snow showers develop tonight, and for tomorrow, little accumulation is expected. We will dry out once again on Wednesday and on Thursday. So here's a look at that snowfall forecast. We are looking widespread, about 1 to 3 inches expected, with the heaviest of snow kind of falling north of the Mohawk Valley and kind of in the Mohawk Valley. That's where you will see 3 inches of snow, but little accumulation is expected from this low pressure system that is moving in. We will continue to see an increase in clouds with highs reach the low 20s. Now, this evening is when that widespread light snow does develop, and we will be seeing snow showers overnight. We will be seeing scattered snow showers for the day tomorrow with highs near 30, so it is going to feel a lot warmer tomorrow than the past couple of days. Now, overnight tomorrow into Wednesday is when it is going to get really cold again. We are looking at temperatures all below zero, and waking up on Wednesday morning still below zero, so it is going to be pretty chilly. Not warming up that much either on Wednesday. We are only looking at high temperatures in the upper single digits, so it is going to be pretty cold on Wednesday. For today, we have a high in the low 20s. It is chilly outside. We are also seeing an increase in clouds. Overnight tonight, we do have a low just in the teens, so not getting as cold as what we've been used to, and we will be seeing some light snow showers in the region. We will be tracking some snow showers for tomorrow. Little accumulation expected with a high near 30. We are drying out on Wednesday with highs only in the upper single digits to lower teens, and we are warming up a little bit for Thursday with some more snow showers on Friday. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. Now to skiing, snowboarding, and sledding. Only 3/4 of parents say their children consistently wear a helmet when downhill skiing or snowboarding. That's according to a new University of Michigan poll of nearly 2,000 parents. The poll also showed nearly 70% of parents don't make their child wear a helmet sledding. In addition, just 1 in 6 parents polled discussed safety rules about sledding with their kids. Those rules include how to avoid a collision. And the best way to get off a sled safely at the bottom of a hill, I don't know, when we went out sledding when I was a kid, we were just told to take the sled and go outside and don't come back till dinner time. This was a little different then. We'll be back after this.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis as we start another work week.
Yeah, we're tracking some light snow as we head into tonight. We're expecting widespread accumulation. And some areas, the roads could be a little bit slippery heading into tonight and early tomorrow. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The snow is approaching from the south. It's running into dry air, so not all of what you're seeing on the radar is making it to the ground, but it will over the next couple of hours. Our current temperature is 20 degrees. It feels like 11. We're still dealing with a wind chill today. Our weather headlines: some light snow develops tonight, expecting widespread accumulation. We'll take a look at the snowfall forecast coming up. And we're also tracking some colder weather as we head into the middle of the week. Temperatures likely in the teens during the day and overnight lows below zero. Not quite as bone-chilling cold as we saw Saturday morning, though. This evening, light snow develops. Again, we're tracking how much falls across the area. A look at that forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
A Utica man is facing charge.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking widespread light snow. That's expected to return as we head into tonight, as well as early tomorrow. A live look at our Cappy Tower cam. Things are looking quiet for now. Notice we have daylight now at 5 o'clock. We saw the first sunset after 5 take place on Saturday. And as we look ahead to 6 o'clock and how things will be changing, we continue to add daylight here. You'll really start to notice this increase as we head into the next couple of weeks. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The radar is showing widespread steady snow, but it's running into some very dry air. This is called Virgo, when precipitation that the radar is detecting doesn't quite reach the ground because it evaporates, well, technically sublimates. But the bottom line here is that we're looking at some light snow, but it's going to take a little bit longer to get here. But we do expect that snow to begin over the next 1 to 2 hours, and it will continue throughout tonight. Temperatures across the area. Looking at the temperature in Big Moose of 12, Inlet 15, Dolgeville 18. Across the southern valleys, Norwich 19, Skanevis 21, and Hamilton with 19 degrees. If you are walking the dog this evening, the weather looks pretty decent. A light wind, chilly, but not really cold like the past couple of nights. Temperatures will be in the upper teens. Watch out for your footing. We're still seeing some ice across the area, especially on untreated surfaces. Tonight's featured dog is Shirley. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. Coldest day of the week, Wednesday, a high of only 11, but it is going to be mostly in the 20s throughout the week. But again, that temperature on Wednesday will be bone-chilling cold. So you look at the radar and satellite image, a Clipper system arrives tonight, and widespread snow will accompany it. The snow will be with us here this evening, beginning over the next 1 to 2 hours, continuing through the morning commute. 8 a.m., mostly cloudy skies. Some light snow showers on Tuesday. The snow will be not lasting very long, just a few snow showers throughout the day. Temperatures Tuesday afternoon will climb into the mid to upper 20s. Tuesday night, cold air drains in from the north. Wednesday, again, very cold. Temperatures start out near zero. Sunshine Wednesday afternoon, but not helping warm things up. Temperatures only top out in the low teens. The snowfall forecast for tonight and early tomorrow, just about everybody picks up 1 to 3 inches of snowfall. This includes the Mohawk Valley, the southern valleys. North of the Mohawk Valley, a south wind brings heavier snow, or at least higher amounts of snow, due to something called upslope, where the air moves up and over these higher elevations. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected for Boonville to Old Forge. Tonight down to 15. Again, snow continues throughout tonight, and it continues into early tomorrow morning, and then becomes scattered, a high of 27. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, cold Wednesday, only 11 for the high, below zero Wednesday night. Thursday, 22, sunshine, some light snow to track for Friday and Saturday, followed by colder temperatures on Sunday. And coming up in a few minutes, we're going to be taking a look at how cold the wind chills get as we head into Wednesday afternoon.
That seems to be the danger point for us this
Right.
winter. That's the theme this winter, is wind chill. Bill, thank you. Crews are getting a better
Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
I want to look ahead to the wind chills on Wednesday. Wednesday is expected to be the coldest day of the week, and we're dealing with very similar levels of cold that we've seen a couple of times this month. And this is a look at the air temperature. Again, this is for Wednesday. High temperatures in the upper single digits to low teens. Wind chill values throughout Wednesday near or below zero throughout the day. So it's expected to be frigid on that particular day. January as a whole, we've had a lot more cold days compared to warm days, and we are running below average. Nothing record-setting here, but definitely a big change compared to December. Recall in December it's been very, very warm, and again, things have changed here heading into January. Things are likely to change looking ahead too. We really haven't had much snow, but it looks like we are going to be getting into more of a snowier pattern looking ahead to February. We do see some snow tonight, a light accumulation. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And we're expecting a couple of inches of accumulation overnight and into early tomorrow. We're tracking that. We're also looking at our snow chances as we look ahead into the weekend, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Rehearsals for the opening.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're tracking widespread light snow that arrives as we head into tonight. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are tracking that snow on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Initially falling into some dry air and not making it to the ground, but as we head throughout this evening and tonight, the snow is expected to move in. The snow is going to be light, so I'm not expecting any big travel issues here. But if you're traveling late tonight as well as early tomorrow morning, I do expect some typical conditions here with some slippery roads. Mostly side roads will be a slippery. Major roadways should be fine. Our temperatures this evening are on the cold side in the teens. Barneveld 16 degrees, Boonville 16, Curtis Corners 15 degrees, Gray 17, Ilion 20, and Clinton, Bob checks in with 20 degrees. Across Southern Valleys, John and Frankfort 20 degrees, Jeff and Mohawk 18, Stewart and Cooperstown 21, and Morris 19, as well as Edmonston and Cassville. Coldest day of the week, Wednesday. We've got some frigid weather on the way. The high is only 11. The overnight lows will be below 0. And with the wind, it will feel near or below 0 throughout the day and into the night. We are tracking some light snow tonight. This is from a clipper. It's a type of low pressure system that spends the majority of its time on land, so it doesn't produce as much heavy snowfall as low pressure systems over the water. This one does bring us a couple of inches of snow tonight. Snow breaks out over the next couple of hours and continues throughout tonight. By tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., some light snow showers. Temperatures will be in the low 20s. It will be warmer tomorrow afternoon with high temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, and those snow showers will be generally coming to an end. We might even see a few breaks of sunshine. Cold air drains in the wake of this system for tomorrow night and into early Wednesday. Have a look at the numbers here. We're down into the lower single digits by Wednesday morning, even below 0 north of the Mohawk Valley. It's cold Wednesday. Temperatures only climb into the teens for the high, but we will see plenty of sunshine. Snowfall forecast for tonight as well as early tomorrow. We're expecting 1 to 3 inches for the Mohawk Valley. This area north of the Mohawk Valley sees more of a south wind, which creates more snowfall here. 3 to 5 inches of accumulation, Boonville, Old Forge, and central and northern Herkimer counties. Looking ahead for the weekend, the next system that's expected to move in is going to be coming up from the south, a coastal storm. At this point, there is some consistency keeping this storm mainly to the east, but since this is several days away, this is something we're going to be watching pretty closely, and we'll keep you up to date on the latest trends. Whether if that ends up heading more east, we'll be seeing the possibility of some snowfall. If it trends more out to sea, then we will be looking at dry weather this weekend. Some light snow as we head into tonight, low of 15 tomorrow. Looking at cloudy skies, some light snow showers, a high of 27. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Wednesday, high of only 11. Overnight lows well below 0. Thursday, high of 22. Sunshine. Some light snow Friday. Again, keeping an eye on Saturday, 23. Cold weather to follow Sunday, 18. Temperatures in the low 20s. Looking ahead to next Monday. We're tracking wind chills for Wednesday afternoon coming up at 6 o'clock. Stay with us.
With Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
We're tracking widespread light snow as we head into tonight. We're expecting region-wide accumulations. Not a lot of snow, but enough to make things slippery, especially overnight and into first thing tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see the snow moving in from the southwest. It starts out very light, and it continues throughout tonight as an area of low pressure swings through the region. And again, we're expecting a couple of inches of snowfall overnight and into tomorrow morning from this weather system. Current temperature is 20 degrees. It's not going to be all that cold tonight as light snow flies across the region. Again, some accumulation is expected. The weather does turn colder as we head into Wednesday. That looks to be the coldest day of the week. We're tracking the wind chill and how cold it gets coming up. Some light snow developing this evening, temperatures in the upper teens. We're looking at how much snow falls overnight, as well as how cold it gets on Wednesday. That forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Going county by county with the
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking widespread light snow that's expected to take place tonight. Some accumulations too. A couple of slippery spots tomorrow morning. Nothing out of the ordinary in terms of a more typical snowfall. Live look at the CAV Tower Cam. It is pretty quiet here across the region. Some lightly falling snow is starting to take place in areas south and west of Utica. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is all going to move through the region tonight. We're expecting a general 1 to 3 inches of accumulation and a couple of slippery spots first thing tomorrow morning. Barneveld 16 degrees, Yorkville 20, Mike in New Hartford with 21, West Leiden with 13, across Southern Valleys, Richfield 21 degrees, Morris 19, 20 degrees in Otsego and West Lawrence. Temperatures will really bottom out Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be the coldest day of the week. High temperatures Wednesday afternoon in the low teens. The wind chills throughout Wednesday look to be near or below zero. So we've got a taste of Arctic air that will be returning to the area. And like the last couple of rounds of Arctic air, this lasts about 24 hours before we start to warm up again. The radar and satellite image shows low pressure moving through the region. This is called a clipper, an area of low pressure that spends most of its time over land, and it typically doesn't produce as much heavy snowfall compared to coastal storms. So we look at our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast again. Snow falls overnight. Scattered snow showers first thing tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Temperatures in the low 20s. A couple of scattered light snow showers heading into tomorrow afternoon. By noontime, most of the accumulation will be over. We're looking at cloudy skies throughout the day. A couple of breaks of sunshine in the afternoon and evening. Tomorrow night, overcast skies giving way to clearing. This is when Arctic air works in from the north, and it's going to be cold Wednesday morning. Temperatures will be near zero. North of the Mohawk Valley, about 0 to 10 below zero is expected Wednesday morning. And then throughout Wednesday afternoon, frigid conditions, temperatures climbing into the low teens. Snowfall expected tonight. A general 1 to 3 inches for the majority of the area. This includes the entire Mohawk Valley and Southern Valleys. North of the Mohawk Valley, a south wind will create additional snowfall, or at least higher totals here. We're looking at 3 to 5 inches. This south wind produces what we call upslope snow, where the winds are moving upward over some of those higher elevations, producing some extra snowfall in those areas. Wanting to look ahead to the weekend, we are following the data, and it's pointing towards the possibility of a coastal storm here for Saturday. At this point, this looks to head to the east, but it is something that's showing up, and we have to watch this pretty carefully. Because it's Monday, this would be for Saturday. A lot can change between now and then. It's something we're watching pretty closely, and we'll continue to keep you posted. Some light snow tonight down to 15 degrees. Again, 1 to 3 inches of accumulation for most areas. Cloudy skies tomorrow, a high of 27 with scattered snow showers. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Frigid Wednesday, a high of only 11. We're 10 below zero Wednesday night. Sunshine Thursday, 22. Light snow on Friday. Again, watching Saturday, 23 for the high. Colder weather Sunday. High temperatures in the teens, low 20s with mostly cloudy skies on Monday. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2. The forecast tonight, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Tracking widespread light snow that continues to fall across central New York. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Most of the area seeing light snow. The back edge of the snow is starting to work its way into Syracuse, and light snow will continue to fall throughout a good portion of tonight. Current temperature is 18 degrees, and we have light winds, which means we do have a wind chill of 10. Again, the snow is expected to continue overnight and come to an end tomorrow morning. Winds will follow as we head into tomorrow afternoon. We're expecting the strongest winds to be in the Mohawk Valley. We're also tracking some colder weather as we head into the middle of the week. Some frigid temperatures as we head into Wednesday, especially when we factor in the wind. Snow continues tonight, a low temperature of 15. We're tracking snowfall totals overnight. Some stronger winds here tomorrow afternoon, as well as and how cold they get as we head into Wednesday. Jason, back to you.
All right, thanks, Bill.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. Our CAV Tower Cam is looking to the city of Utica. The lights are barely visible tonight. We have some light snow falling That is going to continue here on Smith Hill for the next few hours. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The snow is falling steadier north of the Mohawk Valley compared to in the valley, as well as south of the valley. And we're looking at widespread light snow over the next several hours. The system, a clipper, is going to be heading to the east tonight, and it will continue to bring us some light snow showers through early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, not looking too bad. If you're working outdoors, we're looking at mostly dry weather, a couple of light snow showers, a high of 27, but the winds, they will be picking up as we head later into the day. Radar and satellite image showing low pressure swinging through the area. This is a clipper spending most of its time over land as opposed to coastal storms. They're generally weaker as they don't have as much water to pick up as they move along. And so this one does bring us light snow throughout tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Temperatures will slowly rise, and we'll see a few light snow showers early tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. But the rest of the day looks generally quiet, mostly cloudy skies. There's going to be a big push of Arctic air heading into the region tomorrow night. You can see it drop in from the north. This will help skies clear out as we head into Wednesday morning. This will also bring temperatures down. We start out Wednesday morning near or below zero across the area. Wednesday afternoon, sunshine. And it should be a pretty nice day, although it's going to be a cold day with high temperatures in the upper teens. Looking at winds heading into the day tomorrow, as a cold front moves through, the winds turn into the west. The winds will be strongest in the Mohawk Valley. This brighter color that you're seeing here is something called funneling, where the winds are squeezed into the Mohawk Valley, and it's locally faster in this area compared to surrounding regions. Wind gusts in the valley could be as high as 30 miles an hour. We're also talking about some snow overnight. Most areas pick up about 1 to 3 inches of accumulation. North of the Mohawk Valley, 3 to 5 inches of accumulation. Some elevation is adding to the snowfall here as the air moves in from the south. This is called upslope snow. And again, we're talking about the potential of 3 to 5 inches of accumulation. Things look quiet throughout the majority of the week, but when we look ahead to the weekend, we are getting some signals that there could be a coastal storm showing up. And at this point, most of this is to the east of us, so we don't look to be taking the brunt of this, but it's several days away. So this is something we're going to watch. We're going to continue to update you on how things are trending. We'll also let you know if this is something we need to watch really closely. If we happen to be getting some snow out of this, we'll keep you posted. Tonight, down to 15, snow continues. Light snow showers tomorrow, a high of 27. And again, that wind kicking up in the afternoon. Wednesday, frigid, a high of only 11. Thursday, we're into the low 20s. Light snow Friday. Again, watching Saturday. Temperatures will be colder on Sunday and Monday with highs in the upper teens to low 20s. We'll be right back.
Tonight, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
It is snowing across central New York. The snow is falling steady and generally light across our area. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The snow is falling steadiest north of the Mohawk Valley, Boonville, Old Forge, Turin, Lowville, Florence, seeing the steadiest snow in our area. As we work our way southward, you can see the snow is lighter across the Mohawk Valley and some light to moderate snow taking place south of the Mohawk Valley. Our current temperature is 19 degrees. With the wind, it feels like 11. And that snow continues as we head into tonight. Some accumulations to track. The winds pick up in the wake of this weather system that picks up during the day tomorrow, and it brings in some colder weather too. Temperatures are going to drop as we head into tomorrow night, and Wednesday is looking very cold. Light snow tonight, low of 15. We're tracking the snowfall, and we're also looking at conditions as the kids head out to school tomorrow. That bus stop forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight, New
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're tracking light snow that continues to fly across central New York. This is a live look at our CABV tower cam. You see the city lights, the city of Utica. We are seeing some lightly falling snow across a good portion of the area. The back edge of the precipitation starting to work in from the west, but it's going to take its time. I do think that we will be seeing light snow for most of tonight as this clipper, that is an area of low pressure impacting our region today, continues to work its way through the region. Working outdoors tomorrow, I think the majority of the day is going to be dry. Just a couple of light snow showers around, a high of 27. The winds kick up in the afternoon, but it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look all that cold, at least for the latter half of January standards. Radar and satellite image showing low pressure swinging through. Again, this weather system producing widespread light snowfall, and you can see the back edge starting to work in from the west. The snow continues to fly tonight over the next couple of hours, gradually tapering off as we head into tomorrow morning. Still some light snow showers around early, but as you head into the afternoon, again, the weather does get a chance to dry out. A cold front rolls through the region later in the day. The winds kick up, cold air drains in from the north. The numbers come down, looking at temperatures in the single digits as we head into Wednesday morning. In fact, could be starting out below zero in some areas, especially north of the valley. Wednesday afternoon, a frigid day. Lots of sunshine, but it is going to be a cold one with temperatures only climbing into the teens. The winds pick up as we head into the day tomorrow in the wake of that cold front. As winds turn into the west, you can see the winds become strongest in the afternoon around 2 p.m. A west wind between about 25 to 30 miles an hour in the Mohawk Valley. The snowfall, we're expecting a general 1 to 3 inches of accumulation from this for the majority of the area. North of the Mohawk Valley, there will be a little bit more snowfall, 3 to 5 inches possible for Boonville, Old Forge, heading into the central part of Herkimer County. And again, most of this falls overnight. We're watching another weather system late in the week. This is for the weekend, so it's several days away, but we're getting some signals in the long range of a possible coastal system, a possible nor'easter. At this point, granted it's early, a lot of the data showing this system will be to our east. We wouldn't take the brunt of this, but again, it's something we'll be watching pretty closely here over the next several days. Tonight, light snow, low 15. Snow comes to an end tomorrow. The breeze kicks up in the afternoon, a high of 27. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The weather gets cold Wednesday, a high of 11. We are well below zero Wednesday night. Thursday, sunshine, low 20s. Some light snow Friday. Again, watching Saturday, temperatures in the low 20s. Cold on Sunday and Monday with high temperatures in the upper teens to low 20s. We'll be right back.